In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Nifty options in TradingView. TradingView is a versatile and widely used platform for traders and investors looking to analyze market trends and make informed decisions with their investments. Accessing specific options contracts within TradingView can enhance your trading strategies by allowing you to monitor the real-time performance of various contracts. Let's delve into how you can access these options contracts directly through TradingView. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily register for a free account which gives you access to the platform's basic features. With that in place, head on to the TradingView homepage. You will find the search bar prominently displayed at the top. This search bar is your gateway to accessing a multitude of charts, including those of Nifty options. Let's say you're interested in viewing the chart for a Nifty 18,000 call option expiring on June 30th, 2024. The beauty of TradingView is that it allows you to pull up specific contracts directly by using their full designated symbol. In the case of our example, you would type NSE Nifty 40630C18,000 into the search bar. This specific code is a structured identifier for the option you want to track. You'll need to follow the naming convention, NSE for the exchange, followed by the underlying asset, which is Nifty, then the date format indicating the year, month, and expiration day, all concatenated without spaces, and lastly, the option type and strike price, which in this case is C18,000. Remember, C stands for a call option, while P would denote a put option if you were interested in those instead. After entering the symbol, hit Enter. TradingView will then display the chart for this exact Nifty option contract. You're now equipped to analyze the option's price movements, volume, and other technical indicators that are pivotal in making strategic decisions. Through the chart, you can apply various analytical tools, draw trend lines, or set alerts to stay informed on price changes. This direct access ensures you invest fewer of your valuable minutes navigating through menus and more time on analysis. Understanding this process not only streamlines your workflow, but enhances your capability to respond swiftly to market changes. As you become familiar with this method, you'll find it integrates seamlessly with TradingView's wide array of tools and indicators. This will inevitably assist you in executing more precise trades based on the rich data you now have at your fingertips. TradingView's intuitive platform, combined with this straightforward way to access Nifty options, will significantly bolster how you strategize and make decisions in your trading endeavors. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature.